Hello friends, a couple of weeks back when I did a video on a car air purifier treatment system which is called Atmosphere Tribe, and there are quite a few requests which came up if there is anything else for home indoor air purification, right? So let me set the context first. In fact, we all know that India is ranking in the top few compared to many other countries on air pollution. If you look at the data of 50 most polluted cities across the world, 14 are in India, right? And that is scary statistics, and it is in fact affecting lot of people around in our country, including children, because we breathe by the time we breathe once, small children breathe 3 times. That means they are taking more pollution into their lungs, right? So major health issues are getting affected. The air pollution directly affects the lungs, of course, and it also through the bloodstream affects heart and also results in a brain stroke eventually. So this is one of the biggest concerning factor. We call this as invisible killer, because we can't see the pollutants around in front of us, but we are getting affected out of it. So yeah, there is external pollution which government is taking care, and we are also doing our own part by planting trees and making sure there is no dust around. But the air which gets trapped inside the home, because of the high air pressure outside, it will come inside, and there is no air pressure from inside. So all the air pollutants which are minute particles, we call it as PM10 and PM2.5 and smaller ones. Just to give you an idea, if you take the hair follicle, the radius of it and divide it by 20 times, that is PM2.5, which you can't even see with your eyes. And the real pollutants, if you look at the viruses which are roaming around in the air when it is polluted, if I just take the numbers, the smallpox virus is 0.224 microns, such small it is. PM2.5 itself is something which is not visible, and this is 0.224 microns. And SARS or coronavirus size is 0.11, and H1N1 is 0.10. So these are the small minutest particles which we keep breathing, right? So what is the solution? The air purifier system, which can capture even smaller than all these viruses, is what we should have in our indoors, so that when we are breathing the air, fresh air. I am going to talk about Atmosphere Mini. This is an air purifier system. This is what I have it beside me. This is made out of, it has a filter which is having 3 layers in it. The outer layer captures all the large visible dust particles, and inside this, in fact, the 2 more layers are there. Of course, we can't see the second layer inside, but this is the 3rd layer. This 3rd layer captures all the gases, and the middle layer is called HEPA filter. So HEPA filter captures all the small minutest particles up to 0.0024 microns, which is much smaller than all these viruses which I just spoke about. Okay. Plus different fungal spores are also captured, and 9 different allergens and 60 different pollens. All these are the things which are in the air and we are breathing. So we have been, personally, if you ask me, we have been using this air treatment system inside our indoors since almost 1 year now. And the moment I started using, within 1 week I could see a big difference in my sleep quality. So a lot of my friends are also using. Some of them who had the dust allergy, the moment they get up in the morning, they keep sneezing, right? So whenever they use it in the night in their room, there is no sneezing in the morning time when they get up. In fact, it covers up to 500 square feet room, so it can easily purify the air for 3 to 4 times in 1 hour per room. So this has to be used, and it has a powerful sensors in it, and it captures it. Looking at the dust particles, the size of the microns, the sensors also take care of it, and the speed increases from 1, 2 and 3, and there is a night mode and there is a silent mode, and it is actually operated manually, and also there is an app attached to the Android and Apple phones, and it is very convenient to use. We can operate this from at least 50 kilometers radius anywhere through that app. So this is one of the way we can keep our lungs healthy and our whole body healthy. This is a preventive health aspect, and let's breathe fresh air and stay home and stay healthy. Thank you.